This is day in the life in Sorrento, Italy. So every day starts with a walk down these steps. They were not kidding when they said that the Amalfi Coast and Sorrento and Positano had a ton of stairs, but it's all right because it gets our blood pumping, our heart racing, and I guess it's a good way to start the day. So what are we doing in this day in the life in Sorrento?
So today we are going to a cooking class in Riso. I don't know the exact location, but it's in and around Sorrento, and we are going to be making gnocchi and tiramisu today.
Nice view.
In this way, guys, everybody do everything in this way. We put the nets down, then we close the nets, we put in a basket, then I show you the basket. We have different varieties of lemons. Questo per dire because it's yeah.
We got to create for you.
What's up? What's up?
Slap it.
You like chocolate, everybody?
Yeah.
Alexis.
Another layer? Guys,
Wine time. Wow. Wow.
Wait, it's espresso expensive. I don't see none.
I don't have none.
I don't got nothing.
Mine's clean.
How much is it? You fail if there's espresso. Nothing.
Nice.
So we just finished our cooking class and now we are all eating, or I guess eating some cafe crema to give us a little pick-me-up because we are tired. Cafe crema!
Ladies, you know what this means.
Shopping! got matching friendship bracelets.
Let's go, people.
Large lemon. Goodbye.
Bye, Sorrento.
We just got back to the Airbnb from Piazza Tasso. We took a taxi, and the taxis here have been super reliable and fairly priced. So if you don't plan on renting a car here, I do recommend taking their taxis. We are going to freshen up and get ready for the second half of our day because it is Dima, Janice, and Brandon's birthday. They are all October babies, so we are gonna go out for dinner and celebrate all three of them tonight. Mini haul time. Got a hat for my father. Sorrento is known for their lemons, so I got a huge bag of lemon candy. 5 lemon soaps. We are at Bistro 66, and tonight we are celebrating Dima, Brandon, and Janice. Our Libra baby.